how to get Blooket hacks or the best Blooket hacks in 2025. I'm going to tell you how students usually find Blooket hacks and why you might want to think twice. Most people search GitHub or YouTube for scripts that let them auto answer, unlock all Blooks, or farm coins fast. These usually involve copying a JavaScript snippet and pasting it into your browser console while in a live game. It sounds easy and sometimes it works, but it's risky. Blooket's devs regularly patch these hacks, and if you're caught, your account could be flagged, banned, or permanently blocked from school events. There's also the risk of downloading fake scripts that contain malware or trackers. So, yeah, people are doing it, but just know it's not as harmless as it looks. If you're just trying to win more games, honestly, you'd be better off practicing and leveling up legit.